Hey guys, this is Will. I'm just going to show you a quick way to drain your hot water heater that's clogged up. Usually when they're old, they're full of sediment and stuff, and it can be real difficult trying to remove an old one or something that's full of water and junk. So anyway, this one's in my RV, and you can see it's just a little low boy, but it's, you know, it's pretty heavy and I can't get it to drain. So I figured out this thing. I'll just hook up a hose. You know, you can see just a regular hose like you would drain it with, and I've got my air compressor hooked up over here, and what I'm doing is I'm just running some compressed air up into the hose, and you can hear it, the air entering the hot water heater. So let me just show you what I'm doing here real quick. Sorry about the video quality, I don't have anybody to hold my camera, but let me get the hose here. So I've got this hose. I took a little piece of styrofoam, like this is like insulation, and I made a nice tight fit, so I get almost an airtight fit for my air connection. Okay, and so I'm just going to run this up in here. You're going to start hearing the hot water heater, the water bubbling and stuff in it. So you do it for maybe 5-10 seconds, you know. And then okay, well that one didn't quite do it. Oh yeah, here it comes. See, there's not much water coming out of there, so I'm gonna have to repeat this process. Probably have to keep doing this over and over again until the water's drained out, but let me give it one more run before I end the video. Okay, here we go. All right. There we go. Now we got a lot of water coming out. So you can see that it definitely works. It's just a little bit of repetition to get all the water out. And that's going to allow me to lift my hot water heater out of this thing without breaking my back or something else. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have good luck getting yours drained. Thanks for watching.